Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the Ulanzi UURig R060. It's a type of clamp, comes in a box like this, normal box. We're going to quickly just see what it all comes with. So in the packaging you get the clamp itself. Packaging is normal packaging, nothing great or nothing bad about it, just normal packaging. And then this is the clamp. You also get an Allen key. We'll see now where that goes, put that to the side. So this is the UURig R060. Very nice feel, very quality feel. I think it's completely made of aluminium. And then this is the 1/4 inch thread, and this is the 3/8. And then your Allen key will basically go in these holes just to tighten it. There is 6 places for the 1/4 inch, 2 both sides and then 2 this side, and then there's 2 places for the 3/8, one this side, one this side. Let's open it up, see how much it expands. That goes quite okay. There's the full piece, goes quite big. It also pushes down like this, which is pretty cool. You can see there's, let's get this to the camera, little silicone pads there for extra grip. There's also cutaways here just that you can grip it better to push it down both sides. Let's just get it back small again. A very nice big twisting knob, so you won't struggle to tighten it or to loosen it. Turns very easy. Just feels really good quality. Let's turn these out. So this will literally just turn out like this, and then you can just turn it into the fitting depending where you need it. This one's a little bit tight, so let's just have a look at the included Allen key. See if we can, there we go. So I think if you just want to tighten it a little bit more, dropped, just to get it nice and tight. Also there is one of each in the bag included, so don't lose them, that would not be great. But then you can just turn it in like that and then connect your camera to it or your fittings or anything like that. I'm still waiting for a couple of products from them to go with this, but I have some GoPro stuff that I can make work here in the moment, so I'll show some footage how it looks with this clamped to a couple of different things with the GoPro clamped to it. Here we have the Ulanzi rig connected just to see how it works. Sorry about all the GoPro stuff, looks a little bit janky, but at the moment it works. So just connected onto a pipe, just pretty much put on, tightened, and it's pretty tight on there. We are in the workshop at the moment, so excuse the mess.